Alright, yeah, welcome back. So today I got this 2012 Volvo S60 T5. So I got the oil filter housing assembly right here with the built-in PCV valve attached to it. So I'm replacing it because this one, the PCV valve, making a lot of noise. And also there was a code. I don't remember the code, but there's a code for the PCV valve. So I was replacing it with this new one. And I'm going to show you the bolts I removed. So these are some 10mm bolts that I removed from the housing. So first I have to remove this piece right here, this air cleaner box right here. Remove this piece. Let's go to the computer. So to unlock it, you have to press down the tab and release it. So there's a lock. You're gonna squeeze this lock in and push up to release it. Also do the same for here to get it loose. And go right underneath this space right here. This hose go on top of the PCV valve. This is the old clamp. So I need to get back a clamp to go on this one because I use this type of clamp used on it. There's a regular hose clamp to get it on. And that's it right there, guys. So I'm just doing this video guys to show you what it looks like and where it goes. So if you find this very useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.